gotta start that when I get home.
What's that fucking pass?
Ball!
Oh, that was Kelvin.
That was Kelvin's pick!
That was Kelvin's pick, bro.
What's that fucking dance smooth called, yo?
Greediness!
What you just did?
Me? Hey!
Whatever you did.
Good D. What? Yeah. I mean, it's greedy to an extent, but it's still a good thing.
Kelvin Roman! Kelvin Roman! Hurry up, Roman!
Oh shit.
Way inside, play slant.
Screen, Dante!
What's that called?
Roll out this way.
Put it on Facebook.
Dante! Coming this way!
Cat Daddy shuffle.
No, Cat Daddy, you gotta go.
We're not cat daddy. We're doing something.
Cat Daddy right there, huh?
Cat daddy. We're not doing it, kind of.
Get him, Daddy! Get him, Daddy!
Oh, he's...
Oh.
Get... Oh.
Daddy, go!
Whoa. What is that called?
Bitch, I go to work.
Daddy! Daddy! Don't hesitate, come on!
He probably hesitated because he thought that he already threw the ball and he didn't want to get the I know, it's not that hard. Just keep something straight.
Hit and go! Hit and go! Hit and go! Hit and go! Trip!
Here we go.
Hit and go!
44!
Go out this way, Daddy!
I learn how to watch, do the elevator.
Pass!
Oh!
Bye, Roman!
Are you okay?
Bye, Roman!
You really recording that?
Hell yeah!
You recorded that?
Yeah.
Back in. Watch me dance. Let's see this shit. Chest roll. You know that's going on Facebook.
You're okay.
I'm a thug, dude.
Hey, what's going on Facebook, alright?
Bro, I don't care. I like females.
I get more ladies like that. We got crazy Jenkins right here, about to go off, bro.
Bro, let's go off, bro. Let's go crazy shit.
Number 10. Oh, my bad, man. My bad. Come on. Yeah! Yeah!
Don't run back.
Still going! He's still... Yeah! Kelvin! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Let's go, baby! Yeah! Watch out, Caleb. Kelvin, let's get your catchphrase. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Are you literally recording the whole game? No, not the whole game, but just bits of it. We got Oh. We got Thank you! Horse collar!
Buddha, stop.
Number 5, personal foul. Let's go. Bro, if it was up to me, I would have every single person on this line just attack number 5. In every single way. Just boom, everybody. Or take turns. Boom. Let him give up. Boom. Solid on the touchdown run.
You already know.
Here we go, guys. Move them.
Watch out. Back up. Back out. We got DB.